Hi everyone. So this video will learn how you can restrict file upload size using JavaScript. So let's get started. Let's have basic HTML structure here. Link to a style sheet, which is style.css. Have a script file at the bottom, which is script.js. We need one div element, one input element. Type will be file. And we need one span element. We'll leave it empty. Okay, save it. Go to style sheet, select div element, display will be flex direction will be column, line items will be center. Select span element and the color will be red. Okay, save it. Open this file in the browser. Let's try to understand how to actually work. I will pick a file, and if the size of the file is greater than 10 KB, I want to show a error here. If it is less than 10 KB, then I don't want to show any error. So let's go to JavaScript file. Select the input element. Select the span element. Add event listener to the input element. Event will be change. This is the handler function. Now we'll get all the files using files property of the input element. If the length is greater than 0, then I want to execute some piece of code. It should be files dot length. Otherwise, I want to set the inner text of the span element to empty string. I will set the error here in the span element. So if size of the very first file is greater than 10 KB, so we'll simply multiply 1024 by the 10 because these are the number of bytes which we have in 1 KB. Okay. So if it is greater than that, then I want to show the error. Now just copy this part, paste it here, and error will be file size exceeds 10 KB, and we'll simply return. Save it, go to browser. Now let me select a file. I already have two files available. So size of this file is 5 KB and size of this file is 2 MB. So let's select the 2 MB first. So we are getting this error, file size exceeds 10 KB. You can add a margin here if you want to. Let me do it. Make it display as block, and margin should be 10 pixel from top. Save it. Great. Now let's select the 5 KB file. You can see the error is gone. Select again. The error is back. So that's it. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.